Somebody has to say this. I don't think it's being said loud and clear. If you are selling your home, how should you leave the condition of the home for the new buyer? Here's my response. Leave it as if you are trying to get a security deposit back. That's the easiest way to put it. So that means lawn mowed, personal property gone, have it cleaned. Does it mean it needs to be professionally cleaned? No, not necessarily. However, keep in mind, I definitely believe in the golden rule. Leave things how you would like things left for yourself. That's what I would do. So if you want to have the house absolutely spotless when you move in, do it for someone else. The reason I bring this up is because I recently had a closing and get to the house and literally the lawn is like up to the knees. Apparently the previous owners, they had not mowed the lawn for about 3 weeks. They had actually sold all their lawn equipment, and so it was absolutely overgrown and it was so much work. So instead of the buyers like starting unpacking and moving, they ended up having to mow the lawn first because it was so out of control. So don't do that to someone. My 2 cents.